In this video, I will show you how to change the blog URL handle in Shopify. And as an example, my blog has a title of Espresso blog, but the URL handle is sample blog. So I need to change the handle and make sure it matches the blog title. So to make the adjustment, let's log into Shopify admin account and then select online store and then click on blog posts. Within the blog post section at the very top, click on manage blogs and now locate the blog in question. In my case, it's this one, Espresso blog. Within the blog settings, look for this option, search engine listing, and then click on edit. Then at the bottom, look for the URL handle section. You can just type out a new handle, or if you want your handle to be exactly the same as the blog title, simply select it, then press delete. And as you can see, the new handle will be the same as the blog title, as in my case, espresso-blog. Then make sure to select this option, create a URL redirect from the old handle to the new handle. And it's also a good idea to select the second option, create a URL redirects for blog posts. Let's select it, and now let's save the changes. Once the settings are saved, allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to your website and try refreshing the blog page. And as you can notice, my blog page URL handle is now espresso-blog, just as the blog page title. And finally, you may be wondering if it's possible to change the part of the URL, such as removing this part, /blogs. Unfortunately, as of the time recording this video, we cannot change the structure of the URL in Shopify. We can only change the handle, which is this last part. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. For more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.